express stood out for you? What about this express stood out for you? Each of you must think of something of the moment you feel are worth sharing. It could be a flirty challenge.
Links, you heard the brief. I just extracted just a little bit. So Big Brother is saying each of the housemates should do a skit or a play or whatever with regard to their journey in the house, and include the housemates who were part of their journey, or who are already left or who are still in their house. So the choice is yours. And at the end, after that, then they will do a group thing, like a theme for season 5 Umlilo, but as a group. So that will be performed as a group at the end of their presentation. So Unate just jumped in and, saying what she thinks is needed to be done by all housemates. And this is so surprising, when people, they gaslight you and they make you feel as if you didn't understand. Kanti bona who didn't understand, and they could just say, oh, okay, my mistake, but they will gaslight you into thinking you are the one. Let's take a listen to this.
Which means we're having a dancing, we have a song.
Yeah, so basically we're starting with a play. No, at the end, we're not saying that.
It is up to you. It is. We're doing individual things, but then at the end, we have to make a song and dance routine that represents really.
No, it's not individual. It's a group. Like we're making a play where everyone is.
It's not individual.
Yes, it's not individual.
Can you read it further? Welcome to. So which means each is individual.
No, it doesn't mean that. It says we must think of something. So basically what I'm thinking is that we have to do a plan, because it said we must include other people. So I can't do a skit alone. I can't do it alone if I want to include 2 people from there. So I think it's like a flowing thing.
It is an individual thing. However, we're doing it.
Group thing.
Yeah.
It's an individual thing. If you need help from me,
And then I can come and.
but each of you must think of some.
Yes, we're saying the same thing. So basically what I'm saying, we are.
Yeah.
It's your journey. It's not that I'm gonna be included. I'm only gonna be included if you want.
Well, you
So
said
what
it's
I'm
not
saying,
individual. I'm
listen.
saying it's individual.
No, that's not what I'm saying.
You said it's individual. You said it's not individual.
Yes, what I'm. Okay, we're saying the same thing. Now listen to what I'm saying. It's your journey. I can't now decide for you. You understand? What I'm saying is, it can be a play in a sense that if you wanna start the show, it will be your play, and if you want Nsuku to be included, she'll walk into it. So we're making it flow in that sense, so it makes sense.
Okay, it's fine.
No,
What
I hear you.
is what we're saying, all of us.
That's what I'm saying.
Yes, what we're saying, it's individual. You understand? So if yes, we want to make a play and whatever, yes, you can make a play, but it's your play. If I want to share,
That's what I'm saying.
if I want to share a story, maybe alone and stand alone on stage.
And
or
that's what I'm
dance.
saying.
Yes.
We're
So
saying
it's
the same thing.
individual.
Yes, it's your story. That's what I'm saying. I can't
And
do
then,
anything
yeah.
about your story.
And then it says we must get along as the housemate to do now a thing as a group. You understand? Then a dance with a song, whatever. Maybe we create a song, a theme song.
Suto's wearing an orange jazz. Suto's wearing a jazz.
And I think it's orange.
What did Nate say? Did she not say it's not individual? First she said it's not individual, label. You said it's not an individual thing, Nate.
Okay, sure. Moving on.
No problem.
Please,
So you had a puppet and a puppet master. They said loudly it's not individual. Yes, she realized now like it's individual, but because she has pride, she cannot say, okay, now I get it. She makes Sweet Gulova as the person who doesn't understand. And at the end, one thing that I didn't like, she went to say, hey, English. English has nothing to do. Sweet Gulova might be not the fluent person in there right now, but his understanding, it's, you cannot take away anything away from that understanding. You cannot, no matter how much English you have, vocabulary that you came with 8 suitcases with, but don't make him look like he's mad. He heard what you are saying, and even who Nsuku and Uyanda, they actually understood the brief that it's an individual thing and then, a group thing. But